Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to create a campaign for Facebook and Instagram ads from Facebook Ads Manager. To do that, you need to log in your Facebook profile in Google Chrome, and you need to have a business page, Facebook page, and also you need to have a professional Instagram account if you want to create an ad in Instagram. If you don't have that, you can check it in my channel. There is a video how to create a Facebook business page and how to connect Instagram professional account to business page. Everything is there. So for now I'm going to open a new tab, and here I'm going to type facebook.com/ads manager, then hit enter. So the Facebook Ads Manager, the campaign tool, is already open here. To create a new campaign, you can click the plus button, create plus button here. So when you click the create button, you will get the pop-up window. Here you will have option choose your campaign objective. So the different campaign objectives are there. In this video we are going to make a traffic campaign objective. Traffic means website traffic. When the people they click your ad, they will go to your landing page, like your website page. So that is the campaign objective. There is a different option there: awareness, engagement, leads, different option. So if you want to check another campaign objective, you can watch another video from my channel. There is already a video for different campaign objective. Now we will do the traffic campaign objective. So I'm going to click the continue button. Now we already entered to the campaign creation window, and you can see there is a 3 steps: campaign level, ad set level, ad level. 3 levels here. When we are creating campaign, we have to do different settings setup here for your ad, and the 3rd level you need to create the ad. So the people will see the 3rd level, that is the ad level. So we will start from the campaign level. Here you have to provide the campaign name. What is your name for your campaign? You can give any name. It's the same like when you are creating a folder in your computer, you are giving a name. So if you give a proper name, you can identify the folder, or you can understand what is in that folder. So like that you can give your campaign name. So when you see the name, you can understand what is about this campaign. Otherwise you will confuse later what setting you did for this campaign. So now I'm going to give here WT. WT means website traffic. So the campaign object I selected traffic. So it's a website traffic. So I put that. What else we need to provide here? What product you are going to sell here? Here I'm going to sell a digital marketing course. So I'm going to give here the name DMC. It's like a digital marketing short form. So digital marketing course, and where I'm going to target the country or the location where I want to show my ad to the people. So I'm going to target UAE, United Arab Emirates. I'm going to target. What else we need to provide here? In this campaign we are giving 15% discount. So that also I will mention here, so easy to understand. So I think that's enough. So the campaign name already we provided. Now we can see the categories, different options we have here. We don't need to change anything here, just keep it the default one. But in case if your advantage campaign budget, if it is on here, I will recommend to off the budget. It means how much you are going to pay daily or lifetime, the budget that is here. We can off this one, because in the next level, ad set level, you will have option for the budget, daily budget, like that. So just keep off this button here. By default it's off, but sometime automatically it will on. Budget option we will off here. Then you can go for next option. So when you click the next button, you already reach to another window, that is ad set level, different level, 2nd level. Here you have to provide the ad set name. We will give an ad set name depend on what setting you are selecting from here. Okay, now if you got this option, select a page, it means for which page you are going to create a campaign, that page you need to select here. So when you click the drop down arrow here, you can see the page. Only one page is here. Just imagine you have multiple pages in your profile, different business pages. All the page will show here. So you need to select the right page. It's very important, because if you are going to create a digital marketing course campaign and you have a real estate business pages here also, so by mistake if that page is selected, then it will be wrong page for your product or your promotion, right? So you need to be careful here which page you are going to select. If you have only one page, it's okay, you just need to select that page only. Now you will have option for how much you are going to pay daily, lifetime, like that. if you are planning to run this campaign for 1 week and you have budget, for example $100 for 1 week or $500 for 1 week, you can put lifetime budget and you can put here how much you are going to spend for lifetime. So Facebook will automatically deduct money accordingly for 1 week, but I will not recommend to put lifetime budget here. I will recommend daily budget, how much you are going to spend every day. If you are putting lifetime budget, then you select lifetime budget, this is the amount. Then if you're running your campaign by mistake, if you did any wrong setting in your campaign, maybe this money will deduct same day. It means the money will finish within 1 day and you cannot bring it back. That money, it's already gone. That's why better you put the daily budget. In case something went wrong, this money only will finish for today, then next day only your campaign will run. So in that time, within that time, you can find out what is the wrong setting you did and you can clear it. So this money only will you will lose. So this is a good safety option, that daily budget. And now for now I'm just going to put some amount here. Is budget is completely up to you how much you are going to spend. It depend on your budget, it will reach more people. It's like that. The reach is dependent on the budget, how much you are going to add a budget. If you are increase budget, it will increase the reach. So what is the reach? It will reach more people. It means more people will see your ad if your budget is high. But if you are a beginner, if you are starting new campaign, beginning level, I will recommend put less budget. And after that, you can get here the option start date and end date. When you want to start your campaign, the date and time is here, and end date also, until when your campaign need to run. So for example, today I will start your campaign and end date is on next month or same month if you want, for example on 10th. So like that you can set up your start date and end date, and time also you can set up here if you want. Then show more option, schedule option there, add schedule all the time if you want to run your campaign all particular time only. In this one I will not recommend to put the schedule, because we are going to target some audience here and like that. So more targeting option will do. That time we don't know the people who looking for your product, when they will open Facebook and Instagram, we don't know. When they have time, they will open the Facebook or Instagram. That time we need to show our ad. So it means your campaign need to active all the time. So that then only we can target the people who really looking for your product or service. Now start date and end date already done. Now you can see the option, some audience option like locations, age, gender, or detail targeting. We can narrow your audience, like a more effective audience who is really looking for your product or service, like that. But here have some audience option also. This is advanced level audience targeting. You can find out the video in my channel for custom audience, lookalike audience, like advanced level audience. Now here we can target the location. I'm going to edit the location. By default one location is selected. I will remove the current location is selected. I'm going to search here where I want to target. So I'm going to search here UAE. I select already UAE. I'm going to select, but if you are going to select any location wise, city wise, you can search here, then you can target. So UAE is selected, or your targeting location is selected for your campaign. Now you can go for the age group, that if you want to change, you can change it from here. Gender wise, you can target men or women or both. Then detail targeting also here, that the people who is interested in particular segment, or you can interest behavior, demographic, different options are there. When you have time, you need to check it what they have here, the file. So then depend on that you can select for your campaign. So this is a digital marketing course campaign. So I'm going to select who is interested in digital marketing, for example. We can search it from here also, the file. You can go for the file, browse the file, and you can select file from browse option, or you can search from here the file. If the file is available, it will come here. You can see digital marketing, who is interested in digital marketing. I can select it. So you can see the right side, interest. You need to be very careful when you are selecting the audience. You need to check interest or demographic or behavior. It's like that. If you're going to sell the digital marketing course, you need to select who is interested in digital marketing. So interest is here. I'm going to select this. One audience already selected. If you want to add multiple audience, you can select more here. but I will recommend that one audience you select for one ad set. If you want, you can create a new ad set in the same campaign, and in new ad set you can target new audience. So how to do different ad set in one campaign, that video also you can find out in my channel. Now I selected one audience for this ad set. Now I'll go to the next level, that is show more option, language option. Here you can select the specific language user, or for example Spanish or German, any language speaking audience you can select. But again, I will recommend for all languages, because this depend on mostly the device settings. So the people, they have in mobile phone different language settings, and they speak English, for example. So the machine will consider us the machine like the mobile word language setup. That's why better put all languages. But if it's really you're targeting some language user, then only you need to select language here. We have option for the language. Then the placement option, you can see the automatic option is here, that where your ad will show, that is the placements. If you are running a campaign in Facebook, your ad will show in Facebook only, but there is a different option there. If you want to check that, you click on the manual placements. Then you can see where your ad will show: Facebook feed, Instagram feed, marketplace, video feed, Instagram Explorer, stories, reels, messengers, in article, application and sites. Like Facebook, they have a partner websites and applications. There also your ad will go. So you can, if you want everywhere your ad to show, you can select the automatic option. But again, you will get less result. You will spend more money for this, because some of the placement you will not get the result. That's why better go for manual placement. And also you can see each placement there is a different ratios, like a image dimension. If you go for Facebook feed, you can see square image like 1:1 ratio, or vertical videos 4:5, or 1:1 video also accepting. But Instagram feed also same. But when you go for marketplace, it's same. Video feed also same. But when you go for reels and stories, different dimension, 9:16, that is the ratio. So we need to have the image or video depend on that ratio, then only the ad will be proper. If you are going to add one image size or video size, if you are going to select all the placement, this will not work well. It means it will go to the stories or reels, it will not be good looking, your ad, because it's not suitable your image or video for these placements. So you will get very less result and you will spend more money here. That's why I will recommend you need to off the placement depending on your image or video. If you want really to promote your ad in reels or stories, what you can do, you can create a image or video depend on that size, 9:16 size image or video. Then you can select this placement. So for now I'm going to off the Facebook one completely. I will off. Then after that I will start selecting what placement I need. I'm going to select Facebook feed, Facebook marketplace, Facebook video feed. So it means which is allowing 1:1 ratio image or video, that only I will select, because that is my content. It means my image, it's 1:1 ratio, so that only I will accept. And we can run the campaign in Instagram also, but from my side I will recommend in one ad set you can use one platform, Facebook or Instagram. Both we can use. There is option, we have already option here, both platform you can use in one ad set. But again, I will not recommend, because if you are going to add both platform in one ad set, you will have very less result and lot of problems you will face in future. It's like a audience wise, the cost for the reach, it's different than Facebook and Instagram, and the result also may be different. Some product you will get more result in Facebook, Instagram is very less, or Instagram is very high, Facebook is less. So how you can identify that? We need to identify which platform is better for your product or service to check. And if you want to do the testing like A/B testing, you need to create separate platform. It's like a one ad set you will use Facebook, and we can create another ad set for Instagram. So from there we can do proper analytics like insight. You can check where you're getting the result, how much you are spending in Instagram, how much you are spending in Facebook, which one is better for your product. It's like that. For that testing purpose, you can use one platform for one ad set. Now I will off the Instagram. So Instagram already off. Now Facebook only selected, and in Facebook placement I selected only three placement instead of 13. I selected 3 placement here. So my ad will show in Facebook timeline like feed, Facebook marketplace. In marketplace also it will show, and also in video feed my ad will show. Otherwise it's off. So I will recommend you, when you're creating campaign, you use the manual placements, not automatic. And if you're creating campaign in any platform, a dynamic or automatic, this type of option will not give you good result. We need to do the manual settings, which is more effective. So I'm going to do my another settings. There is more option. We don't need to select anything that like which device. If you want to do mobile device only or Android only, it's like that. Normal products or service, doesn't matter which device, any device or any, the Android or iOS, when your target audience, you need to show your ad. So that's all for the ad set level. The second level we already completed. So again, you given your daily budget and also your start date and end date. Then start date tomorrow we'll put. So start date and end date, then your location, target location, then you can see here the age, gender, and your detail targeting, the audience you selected, and the placement where your ad will show, that also you selected properly. So it's a Facebook. Then you have to select one more thing here, that is your conversion location. It's like what is your the goal, it is website. So we select already website traffic, but again, when you go for the second level, it will change. So you need to make sure the website is selected, because we need to bring traffic to our landing page or website. So website is selected. Now I'm going to create the ad set name. So depend on what we given here. Again, WT we will put here because it's a website traffic goal. Then what else we need to give here, the UAE is location that we will put here. Then audience, we selected the audience, which is in digital marketing, who is interested in digital marketing. Now I will put here one bracket, then I will put AU. AU means audience I selected here, that is digital marketing. Okay, digital marketing. INT means interest. So who is interested in digital marketing, that I selected here. Then I'll put here FB. So the placement only in Facebook, not in Instagram. So this is FB. This ad set is for Facebook targeting. Then what else we need to give an ad set? In case if you are selecting the gender, or age, if you are changing from here, that also you need to indicate here. For example, I'm just targeting only women. So I will put here F, like a female. So depending on what selection you are doing here, you need to indicate there in the ad set name. Then only you can identify or you can understand what setting you did here. If I put the default one, I will not change there because I didn't change anything in the gender side. So this is default, so I will not change here. So this is the ad set name. So I will copy the ad set name, because in the ad name also we will put same. So the setting for the ad set is already done. Now I will go to the next level, that is ad level. So in the ad level also I will put same name from the ad set name. Now the page is selected. Let me go back one step. Actually by mistake I think I pressed the automatic option. So I will just again I will select this one, Facebook feed, Facebook marketplace, Facebook video feed, and I'm going to off other all the placements. Now only 3 placement I selected, that is Facebook. Then I'm going to next option. Now the Facebook page again is popping up here, which page we selected. We can change it from here also, but you can see only one page is there, that is selected. Now creating ad. You can create your ad from the 3rd level, and you can use any format like a carousel or collection or video or image. You can create your ad from here. You need to upload your image, add image or video, then create your ad. But this, if you are going to create a ad from ads manager, it will not show in your page like a post. It will not go to your Facebook page. It will only go to the people who you are targeting. They can only see your ad. Then when you are going to stop this campaign, it's already gone. Another option here, you can select the existing post from your page. It means you already created a post in your page. That post you want to select for your campaign, you can do. If you do like that, your campaign will start running and people engaging your post. It means they like, comment or share, whatever they engage for your ad, it will reflect in your page post. It will come here, the like and all this, it will show here. But when you are using this create an ad from the scratch here, that like or the comment or engagement, it will not indicate in your page anywhere. Now I'm going to create an ad from campaign, new ad. This we can hide this ad from competitors. Like your competitor always they will check your page and your post, what is the updation, current updation, price and all, discount, everything they are checking in your page. But if you're creating an ad from campaign manager or campaign, that will not show here. So your competitor also they will not see directly from your page. But when you're creating campaign, if you're targeting, there is a chance they can see your sponsored ad. But that is a less chance. Anyway, I'm going to create an ad from here. I use the create ad option in ad setup. Then I go for the format single image or video. Mostly good result is getting from single image or video. Then I'm going to upload the image. I'm going to add image. So image we need to upload. So I'm going to upload this image. So 1:1 ratio, 1080 by 1080. I'm going to open. So it's uploading. So it's selected. I'm going to click next button. And here the cropping option is here, but the image is 1:1 ratio. So I don't need to resize or change. So I'm going to click next button. Done. So the image is already here. Now there is a primary text. It's already dummy text is here, so I need to change that one. So I will recommend to add a primary text, because when this ad will go to the people, they can see the sponsored and it's like a paid ad. People more like the native, the post is like a normal post. This is a sponsored, it's a paid one. So if you're adding some text here as a primary text, it will look like a native post. It's like a normal post. So I'm going to type here. You need to add a good content. I'm just some example I'm giving here. So you can add more text here if you want. So that is primary text, and you can see here how your ad will look. You can see different placement. This is for news feed or feeds, Facebook feed. This is marketplace. This one is video feed. It's like that. So it's loading actually. Now we need to provide the headline. You can see the headline option here. Description, if you want, you can add it. This will show here. And also here you can add the button here, different clickable button, that is apply now or book now or learn more, any option you can provide. And also you can provide your website URL. So you need to copy and paste your landing page URL, your product page or service page. It means someone click on this button or your ad, they will go to that page. And also you can add the headline here, for example. So the ad creation already done. Now I'm going to click the publish button. So it's already published. But in your account is not active. It means you didn't add the payment method. When you click the publish button, they will ask the payment method like a credit card or debit card. If you really want to run the campaign, you can add your credit card details, then you publish. Otherwise, you can just close the window. Now you can see the first campaign is already created. Now it's already scheduled and it's like a reviewing. After it will show like active. And now you can see here, this is another ads manager. You can see different campaign is running now, it's active. So you can see like active, it means it's already start running. Then you can see the result, the reach, impression, like that. You can, or how many people they click your ad. So you will have the metric here. Now you can see the different steps here. This is a campaign level, this ad set level, this ad level. So you can see the ad level, and if you click the checkbox, you can see here the preview button. You click on the preview button, you can see the preview here. So different placement. This is for the Facebook video feed, this is for the marketplace, this one for the feeds timeline. So already created the campaign and targeting is Facebook placement. Now I need to do Instagram placement from same campaign. So I will go to the ad set level in the same campaign. This is the ad set, this is the campaign level. So I will go to the ad set level. I will select this ad set folder. Then here you can see the drop down menu. Here you have option to copy the ad set. I'm going to copy the ad set. Again I will click the drop down. I'm going to paste the ad set. So it's duplicating. It's like it's making a new copy for the ad set. Now you can see here, this is the campaign. This is the ad set and ad, the first ad set and ad. This is the new ad set and ad, copied one. Now I need to edit this new ad set and I need to target the Instagram placement. So I'll go to the placement option first. So this placement I will select Instagram feed. Instagram feed is 1:1, the dimension is 1:1 ratio. Then Instagram Explorer, it's also 1:1 ratio, Instagram Explorer. So I select both placement in Instagram, then I will off the Facebook. I already off the Facebook. Now we can see here two placement is selected, which is Instagram feed and Instagram Explorer. Both are same dimension, 1:1. Now I will go to the ad set name. Here I need to change the name IG. So this is for Instagram. Now the budget I will keep it same. If you want to change, you can change it for the Instagram budget. Then other all settings I will keep it same. Location, everything is same. Only this ad will show in Instagram. The first one for Facebook. Now I'm going to click the ad level, because here we need to select the Instagram account. So I'm going to select the Instagram account. But in case if you don't have the Instagram professional account, still you can do this. You can publish this campaign. The people will see your ad in Instagram, but the identity is from Facebook. But if you have already the Instagram professional account is connected with your Facebook page, better you switch to the Instagram professional account. I will select now. Now you can see the Instagram account is coming here to the ad. Now here also I will change IG. So this is for Instagram. So that's all. It's already changed. Now I will publish this ad set or ad. It's publishing. Now I will close this. I will go to the first page, campaign page. So we have one campaign here. Then I will go to the ad set. Okay, we have two ad set. One campaign, two ad set. One ad set is for Facebook, other one is for Instagram. So what is the good thing here? You can see the result while you're running the campaign. 1 week you run the campaign. After that you can see the result, what is the reach, how many people they click the ad, and how much you spend for this ad, and which one is giving you the result, more result, Instagram or Facebook. You can measure from here. But if you create a campaign in one ad set, Facebook and Instagram, it's really difficult to understand where you are getting the result. In case if you are not getting much result from Facebook for this product or this particular audience, but Instagram you are getting high result. So next time what you can do, you can off this Facebook ad set and you can run the Instagram campaign, and you can add more budget. This 100 also you can add it here, so become 200. So it will get more result. But if you didn't do this testing, you will never understand Facebook is not giving you the result or Instagram is not giving you the result, or the audience. Same thing, we can do this testing with the audience. We can create different ad set for different audiences, then we can do the testing where you are getting the good result from which audience. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Take care.